Hi, it's Veronica, and I'm here today to talk about these storage dishes. So as you can see, I just got them, and I'm gonna show you how they work. They are glass. They have 3 compartments. Both the lid as well as the dish are BPA free. It's microwave safe for the dish, not the lid. Same for the dishwasher. Dishwasher safe, not the lid. But of course, if you're putting them in the freezer, you would use the lid. But this is great for my meal preps. That's why I ordered them. Been hearing so much things about microplastics that I wanted to switch over to these glass dishes. And the fact that they are sectioned into 3, that is great for portion control for me. So I really like these. There are 5 that come in the pack, and these snap locking lids are great as well, and I look forward to using them. Yeah, great stuff here.